Hello. In this video, we will learn about formatting pivot tables in Excel.
Once you create your pivot table, you can easily apply different types of formatting to your pivot table. So if you click inside the pivot table, now you can see on your ribbon, there's two additional tabs that are available. One is Design and the other one is Pivot Table Analyze. So if you go to Design, you can see here we got some ready-made designs that you can quickly apply to your pivot table. So you can just select one of these and it will get applied to your pivot table. So also, if you want, you can go to new pivot table style from here and you can basically design a custom pivot table style and apply different formatting for headings, columns, and so on. And once you do that, it will appear here as a custom format. And anytime you want to apply your own custom format, you can select it from here and apply into your data. And here under the layout section, here under the subtotal option, you can remove subtotals and add them and so on. You can add subtotals to bottom and then to top. And you can remove the subtotal. And from grand totals, you can remove grand totals on and off. And we have some other options. And we have some report layouts, compact form, we got outline form, tabular form, and so on. So you can select any of these pre-built layouts. And here we can select if you want to have blank lines after each item or remove blank lines after each item. Here we can have the row headers, column headers, and banded rows and banded columns. So those are the design options that are available for your pivot tables. So you can either use the pre-built designs or you can design your own custom styles and apply them to your pivot tables.
Thanks for watching.